Alright, so basically over here we have the Marvel app, and this application is very useful for when it comes to prototyping and designing wireframes for your app ideas. One great thing that Tong pointed out to me was that even though you might have this idea and you want to convey it to others, there might be simpler options and more efficient ways to get that idea across without going through this entire process of actually building actual applications and actually demoing them. Instead, you can actually show them what these applications would do in theory and how would they work with each other. So basically, we can see that all these companies over here, they do use Marvel app. Um, Basically, this is going to give you a blank canvas where you can go ahead and throw on whatever you want, whatever type of design you want. Web applications, mobile application, things of that nature, pretty much all work the same here. Um, if I go ahead and click on integrations, tells you basically what kind of applications this will work with. So we can see Sketch, YouTube, Dropbox, and other things, Google Drive, Slack, things of that nature. Really, really integrated, really good software. If you do have enterprise, you can go ahead and get one over here. And this is a pricing, so this is a free one that I'd be using. And it's really great for anyone such as people in our position that want to get started with their idea but don't know where to go. And yeah, definitely check it out.